All right, I'm taking one last look around the room, making sure I got everything. And just a couple more things to get the trike and trailer ready. And then I am leaving Amarillo, headed down Route 66. Very cold morning. So, all right, let's go. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. All right, directions had me meandering through neighborhoods of Amarillo, and now I am on Route 66. Oh my gosh, it is just so cold. I've got gloves over my gloves, socks over my socks. I haven't checked the numbers, but I'm guessing Amarillo is still has some elevation, but it's so nice to not be on I-40. It's the day after St. Patrick's Day, Saturday morning, and it's quiet. We got slug bug parking. So here we are, the Bug Ranch. It's kind of fun. Get your kicks on Route 66. Isn't this funny? All these bugs in the ground. That is fun. You guys, I made it to Groom, Texas today. I think I did just about 50 miles, and it was quite flat, maybe just a little bit more than 300 feet of climbing. Apparently there's an Arctic blast coming from somewhere north of Canada, and it's come all the way down into Texas. And oh my gosh, it was so cold today. I was wearing 2 pairs of gloves, 2 pairs of socks, and I was still cold. I had plastic baggies around my feet, and I was just barely able to keep up with the cold. And I was on mostly Route 66, which was a frontage road for I-40. I could hear I-40. It was not far away. Sometimes the road surface was very smooth, and then sometimes it was chip seal, but it was very quiet. I hardly had any traffic at all. I really wanted to stop in at I think it was called the Slug Bug. It's like a VW, where they have VWs like in the ground kind of competition for the big Cadillac ranch where there's all those Cadillacs sticking out of the ground. And just as I got to this site, a very gruff looking man kind of came running at me. And you know what? He just kind of scared me, and so I just kept riding. But mostly it was just a lot of farmland today. So this is the Chalet Inn, $65 a night, and yeah, little Groom Texas actually had a grocery store, so I was able to pick up some fruits and vegetables, and I'll be able to make a nice dinner for myself. So, all right, you guys, welcome to Groom, Texas.